present to you the HexaClock, an unusual clock that lights up your space with style. And the best thing is, you can do it yourself. With its 127 RGB pixels, it's like a mini light show that tells you the time too. Thanks to the light sensor, the HexaClock adjusts its brightness automatically, so it's never too bright or too dim. And at night, it switches to a chill mode, showing just the time, so it doesn't disturb your sleep. Want to add your flair? Here comes the web app, which lets you customize colors and effects. It's like being the DJ of your own light party. I designed the 3D model in Autodesk Fusion. I managed to fit each part on the print bed of my standard Prusa i3 printer. I created schematics and a PCB which I ordered on JLC PCB. I used addressable RGB LEDs so that with only one data pin, we can control hundreds of LEDs. The brain of the clock is ESP8266 microcontroller with Wi-Fi connectivity that allows for remote control. I needed to figure out how to display digits on such an unusual matrix. For the software part, I forked an awesome WLED library from AirCookie's GitHub and added some modifications to the code. You will find all the steps to build the HexaClock in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. If you are interested in this project or find some room for improvement, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see your feedback. Thanks for watching.